Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to set up your DAP-1325 750 wireless range extender. Whether you're extending your Wi-Fi range for better coverage or enhancing your internet experience, this video has you covered. Let's get started. First, unbox your DAP-1325 750 range extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. Make sure you have everything you need before moving on. Next, insert your extender into a power outlet close to your router. The LED indicator on the front will begin to blink, signaling that the device is powered on and prepared for the setup process. This blinking light means it's ready to connect. Start by connecting your device to the Wi-Fi network broadcasted by the extender. This network will be labeled DAP-1330. Ensure your device is linked to this network to proceed with the setup. Open a web browser and type in http://dlinkcap.local or the IP address provided in the Quick Start Guide. Once you're in the setup wizard, follow the on-screen instructions. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password, and choose a name for your extended network. The extender will configure itself and reboot. This may take a few minutes. After configuration, unplug your extender and move it to a location midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. The LED will help you find the best spot. Green means a good connection, amber means fair, and red indicates that the extender is too far from the router. Finally, test the Wi-Fi coverage in the previously weak areas of your home. You should now have a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal. If everything is working well, you're all set. If you experience any problems or require assistance, our expert team is available to help. For support and guidance, please reach out to us at 323-471-3045. Feel free to comment below with any questions. And that's it. Your DAP-1330 750 wireless range extender is now set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.